Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get and enable voice chat in Roblox so you can talk and hang out with your friends inside the game. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get started. First, open Roblox and click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your settings. Click on it again to make sure you're inside your account settings page. Now, to enable voice chat, Roblox requires you to verify your phone number. Scroll down until you see the option called Add Phone. Click on it, type in your phone number, and Roblox will send a verification code to your device. Enter that code, and once it's done, your phone number will be successfully verified. Next, click Done, and then on the left-hand side, select the Privacy tab. Under Privacy, go to Content Restrictions, and then press Communication. Here, you'll see an option for voice chat. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. That's all you need to do to activate voice chat on your Roblox account. Now, when you join a game that supports voice chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small microphone icon. Click on it to unmute yourself, and you'll be able to talk with other players in real time. And that's how you enable voice chat in Roblox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any future Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.